Welcome back to Discover Fort Monroe. This week we're discovering one of the oldest buildings outside the inner fortress. This particular building is known as the Old Arsenal. While the Fort Monroe Arsenal consisted of a series of structures, we're just going to focus on this one in particular. Like many of the other buildings we've discovered, its purpose changed over time just as the needs of the military changed. The Old Arsenal is no exception. It has served many purposes over the year and undergone numerous physical changes. Originally constructed in 1860 with the primary purpose of constructing gun carriages for the Ordnance Corps, this was part of a larger Fort Monroe Arsenal that was established in 1853 for the primary purpose of constructing seacoast gun carriages. Around the turn of the century, this building saw its first major repurpose when the Fort Monroe Arsenal closed. During this time, the U.S. Army artillery was reorganized into the field and the coast artillery, with the later headquarters established at Fort Monroe. During this time, the interior was renovated to serve as temporary classrooms and laboratories, and on the exterior, the east and west side porches were removed and a searchlight tower was added that is still visible today. The next major change came after the Coast Artillery School opened, and the inside of the building was changed again to serve as the quartermaster warehouse through both World Wars. Our next repurpose continues in 1946 when the Old Arsenal was designated as the post commissary. In 1954, the wooden floors supported by wood sleepers over a sand fill were replaced with concrete. With this renovation, this building became the quartermaster's sales store, though that didn't last very long because shortly after it became the Signal Field Maintenance Shop. The Signal Field Maintenance Shop lasted from 1956 to 1973, when major interior renovations allowed for offices for the Directorate of Plans, Training, and Security for TRADOC until the fort's deactivation in 2011. The Old Arsenal has seen many changes in purpose and interior remodels over the years, but has always remained an important part of the viewshed along Ingalls Roads. While the original windows were replaced with replicas in 1979 and the larger doorways were filled in, hints of the building's past are still visible. The three-course English bond brick walls remain, the larger doorways are still defined by the keystones, and the searchlight tower atop remains. The Old Arsenal is deeply woven into the history of Fort Monroe, and we'll see how it plays a role in Fort Monroe's future.